Morning everyone, how are you? Hope you had a great weekend. If it's your first time stopping over, thanks so much. Hope you enjoy this. Today I'm so excited. It's Monday. Normally it's pins, but I thought, do you know what? We'll do a pin unboxing. I've got 3 boxes of the Mickey Mouse Party Pins from Disneyland. So join me the other side of the intro and let's see what we get. Hit it, Mickey. Excited, you ready for this? Can you believe I got 3 boxes? I did. What I was trying to do was get 3 from Disneyland and 3 from Disney World to see how they compared. Unfortunately, that didn't go to plan. My pickup at the time, so they weren't going that day. They're going to go a couple of days later. That's fine. So I thought there wouldn't be an issue. They were sold out. I've not been able to get them since, so I'm really disappointed. So if anyone's got any boxes they've not opened yet and they want to sell them, please let me know. But at least I've got 3 boxes, so I've got potentially 6 pins and there's 9 in this set. But yeah, having done Disneyland and Disney World, I did want a little collection because I have got a side collection of Mickey. Well, how can Mickey be a side collection? But he is at the moment. And I just love these because I love the glitter and everything in them. So anyway, shall we see what ones I can get potentially? So glasses on. So let's focus you first. There you go. So if I can guess them, we've got Mickey there with the Epcot ball. You've got Mickey with the castle. You've got, oh, Mickey with the train. Oh, this is going to be funny. The explorer, the musician. The pirate, is that? Adventure, Frontierland, pirate. Oh no, the other one's be Adventureland. And we've got the pink one with a castle. So frankly, I haven't got a clue. I don't know, Zoo. I just know they're nice. As I'm getting them, tell me which pins I've got, please. Do I get better? No, I get worse. Right, so each one of these boxes, they're really nice boxes. They're only limited release, so why have they not got some more? I suppose everyone bought them, didn't they, because it'd been his 90th birthday. But anyway, 2 little black bags. Can I? No, I'm going to snip these because I don't want to hurt a Mickey in any way while filming this video. Do you like that? I don't want to hurt a Mickey. You see, these are just beautiful. It's a musician one. And the purple, look at the glitter on that. Seriously, look at that. Look at the glitter. Conductor Mickey, I would call that. Isn't that truly beautiful? I love that, look. And you know I love glittery pins. I love all the Shanghai, all the Hong Kong pins because they've just got that bit of glitz and glamour and I'm a girl, I like glitter. I'm not ashamed to say I like glitter. Do you like glitter? I like glitter, I like that. Normal paint, to me, it just doesn't always have the wow factor. Some do, but that's what I really like about these pins. Right, oh, you see, now this is lovely. So, this one is Mickey out in the wilderness. Oh, look at that with the green. Oh, look at this. Look at the, no, I'll show you close-ups of these afterwards, but look, can you see this? Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. And you know, they're not really little either. They're not huge, they're just a good size pin that you'd normally buy on a backer card. Because some of the box sets, they're coming quite small, aren't they? But these, they're really nice. Right, box number 2. Right, box number 2. Right, let's see. What have I got in this one? Oh, I've got Steamboat. I've got Steamboat Willie. I wore my ears on Thursday, my Steamboat Willie ears. Look, look. Oh, isn't that lovely? The glitter. It's like a little diamond chips in there, isn't it? Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, I really, really love that. Oh, right, what's next? I've got to try and complete this one, even if I don't get the Walt Disney World, which is looking very like not a chance. I've got to try and complete this one, haven't I? Right, I don't know if this one's got a mark on it, so if you've got this one, you have to tell me. So that is the pink one with a castle. So focus. There you go. But can you see just there on the tip of my finger, just there? Should that be there? It's like a little black cut. I don't know if it's meant to be there. I don't know if it's meant to be. Is that meant to be Tinkerbell? Should it be there? It's a lovely pin. I don't know, maybe that's meant to be. I don't know. If you've got this one, tell me, because at the moment I think that's got a flaw on it. And there's no more to buy. But anyway. Oh, that's a shame, isn't it? Right, so then, last box. What we got in these ones? See, this is like a jester, but I haven't got this one. It's the jester Mickey, look, with the blue castle. Look. Look at that turquoise. Look at that turquoise, the glitter. Oh, isn't that a pretty one? It's like a jester there, isn't it? These pins are really, really pretty. And then the last one, I'm gutted about that pink one if it's actually a fault. I am. Oh, that's a shame. Right, and then the last one, I've got all different ones. I've got Wild West, Frontierland Mickey. So, technically, I'm only 3 missing, but I'm going to try and get another pink one if that is a flaw in it. Look at that. Oh, I love these. These are really nice pins. Those are really nice pins. I do hope that Walt Disney will get some more. I do. It's probably doubtful now, isn't it? But you never know. You never know. We're there soon, so you never know. Fingers crossed. But yeah, shall we have a close-up now? Shall I show you what they look like? Let's have a proper close-up. Oh, so I hope you've enjoyed that. Just a short one for today. If it's your first time, don't forget, and if you haven't already, don't forget to click that subscribe button. That way then you won't miss out on any more of my videos, and click the notification bell so they'll send you an email to say I've uploaded a video. Then it's up to you if you watch it or not, but at least you know, don't you? And if you're not subscribed to videos before and you don't know what it means, when you click subscribe, it doesn't mean you're going to pay a fee or anything like that. It's just saying that I've kind of become one of your favourites and I'm in your newsfeed roll. So that's all that means. Because I know when I first saw subscribed, I was like, it's going to cost me money. So yeah, so that's what that means. It doesn't cost you any money to click subscribe. And give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. But thank you so much. Take care. See you really soon. I won't see yourself. Take care of yourself and I'll see you really soon. You know when you need a cup of tea. I need a cup of tea. I should have one with my video, shouldn't I? You're all shouting at me to get a cup of tea. But take care. See you really soon. I'll see you. I don't know if it's Wednesday or Thursday or Friday that's Valentine's Day, but I'll definitely see you Thursday. Yeah, take care. Look after yourselves. Be good, be kind. And I'll see you Thursday if not before. Bye everyone. Bye.